Hi, I'm Emily. I teach English to second graders. I love cats and coffee, and I have a very unfortunate relationship with Mondays. I don't mean I just dislike them. I mean, I believe Mondays wake up with a personal mission to ruin my life. Let me tell you what happened this Monday. Maybe you'll understand. Or maybe you'll laugh. Either way, I won't feel alone. The alarm goes off like an angry robot. Beep, beep, beep. I groan. My arm swings over to hit the snooze button, and instead, I knock my phone off the nightstand. It crashes onto the floor. Great start. I finally get up after 2 more snoozes. My eyes look like I lost a boxing match with a pillow. My hair? It's doing some kind of wind-blown tornado style. I splash cold water on my face and tell myself, "You've got this. It's just a Monday." I'm wrong. I head to the kitchen and open the cabinet. There it is, the empty coffee container. Panic. I search everywhere. Top shelf, behind the cereal, under the sink. I even check the freezer. Nothing. I whisper, "No. No, no, no." Then I look at Daisy, my cat. She's perched on the counter like a little queen. "Did you finish my coffee?" She blinks and knocks over a spoon. I give up and make instant coffee from a dusty packet I find behind the microwave. It tastes like hot cardboard with regret. I open my closet. Stare. Nothing looks good. Everything that's clean is wrinkled. Everything that's cute is dirty. I try on 5 outfits. Too tight. Too loose. Too yellow. What was I thinking when I bought this sweater with flamingos on it? I settle for a gray blouse, black pants, and a long scarf that I hope makes me look like I have my life together. It does not. I'm running to the bus stop like a contestant in a bad game show. Prize: 1 crowded ride to school. I see the bus. I wave. I scream, "Wait!" It drives away. I just stand there, panting, while an old man across the street gives me a slow, sympathetic nod. I walk into my classroom. The lights flicker like they're scared too. 27 kids stare at me. Some are yelling. 1 is crying. 2 are arguing over a pencil. "Miss Emily, he took my crayon." "Miss Emily, I lost my shoe." "Miss Emily, I think I swallowed my eraser." Daisy would handle this better than me. I try to turn on the smartboard. Nothing. I press it again. Still nothing. I plug and unplug cables like I'm doing surgery. Finally, it turns on, but the screen freezes with an update message. Installing 37 updates. Please wait. Of course. Of course it is. I grab dry erase markers and go old school. All of them are dead. I write the lesson with a blue crayon. The kids cheer like it's a magic trick. I open my drawer to grab my protein bar. Gone. Just crumbs. Someone has taken it. I drink water and pretend I'm on a diet. I forgot my lunch. Again. I go to the cafeteria. I ask for the veggie wrap. They give me something that looks like a wet sponge inside a tortilla. I take 1 bite and give up. Even the ketchup won't save this. The principal walks in with a clipboard. "Just doing a quick classroom check." No warning, no heads up. My students are currently trying to tape a ruler to the fan to see if it can become a helicopter. Miss Emily, is this for science? Sure, I say. Let's call it physics. I forgot the meeting with Lucas's mom. She arrives early. I scramble to find his file, which is hiding somewhere under a pile of drawings and glitter glue. I sit down, smile too big, and say, Lucas is very creative. She frowns. He told me he locked you in the supply closet on Friday. I laugh nervously. He has leadership potential. I stay late to clean glitter from every surface known to humankind. My feet hurt. My brain hurts. My soul hurts. I finally leave school, dragging my bag behind me like a broken shopping cart. I walk in the door. Daisy is sitting on the couch, licking her paw. She knocks a plant off the shelf as I enter. Nice to see you too. I change into pajamas, microwave soup, and sit on the couch. The spoon melts in the bowl. I eat with a fork. I decide to watch TV. The remote won't work. I push the power button on the TV itself. Nothing. Power outage. Of course. I sit in the dark eating cold soup with Daisy asleep on my lap and the sound of silence around me. I sigh. Then I laugh. Because honestly, this day was terrible, but it's also kind of funny. And tomorrow isn't Monday. That's something. And that, my friend, is why I hate Mondays. But hey, if you're still here, it means you survived this story, just like I survived that day. Mondays may be messy, chaotic, and full of surprises. But they also remind us we're human. And maybe if we can laugh at them, we're stronger than we think. What's your Monday like? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this story and learned some new English today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss another fun English story with me.